We're just 3 days out from the start of hurricane season, and this year it's expected to be even busier than usual. And that's why 13 News Now is making sure you're ready for anything. So it was Hurricane Preparedness Night at the Norfolk Tides game, and our very own chief meteorologist Tim Pandajis threw out the first pitch. We caught up with him afterward to find out why you should start making plans sooner rather than later.
We live in an area that it's not a question of if a hurricane strikes, but when. And having a plan, being prepared for when that day comes, is certainly very advisable. There's so many things you can do to kind of make the stress lower, prepare for the event, have an evacuation plan for you, your family, your pets. All of that's very, very important.
And hurricane season begins this Saturday, June 1st, and it runs through November.